This video tutorial I will explain what is Amazon SQS visibility timeout and how it works. Imagine you have a big box and in that people can put their messages and others can take messages out to read and handle the messages. This box is nothing but your Amazon SQS queue. Visibility timeout is like a timer, and the timer starts when someone takes a message out of the box to read the message and handle the message. During this time, the message is invisible to everyone, and it is like saying, "Hey, I am working on this message, so nobody else should touch it right now." Now we will see how SQS visibility timeout works. First, message in the box. You have a message in the SQS queue or the box. Second, someone takes the message. A worker or part of your application takes the message out to process it. Third, start the timer. As soon as the worker takes the message, the timer or visibility timeout starts. Fourth, message is invisible. While timer is running, the message is hidden from other workers so that no one else can take the message out and work on the message simultaneously. Fifth, processing the message. The worker processes the message. For example, sends an email, process an order. Sixth, delete the message or return the message. If the worker finishes the processing before the timer ends, then worker deletes the message from the queue and the message is gone for good. And if the worker does not finish in time, for example, the worker crashes or worker needs more time, then the message becomes visible again when the timer ends and another worker can take the message and process the message. At this point of time, the request comes for receive the message. The message is returned. Once message is returned, the visibility timeout starts. Say visibility timeout is set as 1 minute, and during this 1 minute, if any request comes for receive the same message, the message won't be returned. Once visibility timeout is over, if request comes for receive the same message, the message will be returned if the message is available in the queue. Suppose if the message is deleted by the worker after finishing the job, then message won't be returned. Why visibility timeout is useful? First point is prevents duplicate work. Visibility timeout ensures that only one worker processes the message at a time and it avoids duplication of work. The second point is handles failures. If the worker fails to process the message within the time limit, then another worker can pick up the message and try again, which ensure the task get done. Now we will see the example scenario. Imagine you have a team of people handling customer support tickets from the shared inbox. Customer support tickets are equivalent to messages in the SQS queue. Shared inbox is equivalent to SQS queue. Step 1. New ticket arrives. A new customer support ticket is added to the inbox. Step 2. Agent John takes the ticket. Agent John takes the ticket to work on the ticket. Now the ticket is hidden from other agents because visibility timeout starts. Step 3. Agent John handles the ticket. Agent John resolves the issue and marks the ticket as done within the time limit, which means delete the message from the SQS queue. And there is one more scenario. Agent John gets distracted. If Agent John gets distracted and does not handle the ticket within the time limit, then the ticket reappears in the inbox for someone else to handle. Suppose say at 9 o'clock, Agent John takes the ticket and visibility timeout is set as 1 minute. So during this visibility timeout, the ticket will be hidden from other agents because Agent John handles the ticket. Once Agent John finishes the ticket will be deleted from the inbox so that it won't be available to other agents. Suppose agent John gets distracted and the ticket is not finished within this visibility timeout, then the ticket will be reappear after the visibility timeout so that other agent can work on the ticket. Now we will see the summary. The visibility timeout is a timer that hides message from others while someone is working on it. If they finish in time, the message is marked as done. If not, the message becomes available again for someone else to pick it up. This helps to ensure tasks are completed without duplication and allows for recovery from failures. Here you can see create queue page of Amazon SQS. Here you can see configuration section. In that here you can see visibility timeout. By default it is 30 seconds and you can set up to 12 hours. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.